Baltic is back, and it's better than ever. Meet the brand new Aquascaphe MK2, the upgraded and redesigned version of the beloved vintage-inspired dive watch that helped put Baltic on the map. First launched in 2018, the Aquascaphe Classic became an instant hit thanks to its retro style, reliability, and approachable price. Now, after 7 years, Baltic has refined that recipe, upgrading nearly every detail while keeping its soul intact. The new MK2 comes in 2 sizes, a compact 37mm or a slightly bolder 39.5mm, both with 200 meters of water resistance, a double-domed sapphire crystal, and a thickness of 12.9mm. The case design has been sharpened with wider lugs, added crown guards, and a reworked 120-click bezel featuring a sapphire insert with a full 60-minute scale. On the dial, Baltic introduces a new maxi dial with oversized 3D Lumicast markers filled with Super Luminova BGW9 for outstanding legibility. A clean, no-date layout and larger faceted hands give the MK2 a more modern, tool watch feel while staying true to its 1960s dive watch inspiration. You'll have 4 colors to choose from: glossy blue or green dials, or textured gray and warm silver dials, each available in both sizes. The silver model even adds a contrasting black bezel for a striking look. Powering the MK2 is the trusted Miyota 9039 automatic movement, beating at 4 Hz with a 42-hour power reserve. It's reliable, serviceable, and helps keep the price accessible. And Baltic hasn't forgotten comfort. New FKM rubber straps with a Saffiano pattern debut alongside updated steel bracelets, all with quick-release spring bars. Starting at just €630 on rubber or €695 on steel, the Aquascaphe MK2 is everything we loved about the original, only sharper, tougher, and more versatile. Available now, deliveries begin October 13th, 2025. Which version would you choose?